Welcome to Casual Comfort. Have you ever bought a dress because it looked beautiful on the hanger, brought it home, tried it on, and thought, "Why does this look so washed out on me?" You're not imagining it, and it's definitely not your skin's fault. It's almost always about color. In today's video, we'll look at the best summer dresses in different colors, specifically 7 that look good on women over 50. These are the exact shades that will restore warmth and vitality to your complexion, rather than fight it. Here's what nobody tells you about dressing after 50. Your skin tone shifts, your hair color often changes, and the colors that worked beautifully for you at 30 might genuinely not work the same way anymore. That's not a loss, it's just new information. And once you know which colors actually love your complexion, getting dressed becomes so much easier, because you're no longer guessing. So today, I'm sharing 7 of the best dress colors for summer, specifically chosen to flatter women over 50, and exactly why each one works. Color 1. Soft Coral. Let's start with a color that I genuinely think is underrated, soft coral. Not the neon, overly bright coral you might be picturing, but a muted, slightly dusty version that sits somewhere between pink and orange. Here's why this color works so beautifully after 50. It has warmth built right into it, and warmth is exactly what brings life and glow back into the complexion. As we age, skin can sometimes look a little more tired or sallow under the wrong colors. Soft coral does the opposite. It reflects light back onto the face in a way that genuinely looks like a filter. Look for this shade in a flowing midi dress with simple, clean lines. Coral pairs beautifully with gold jewelry and a tan or nude sandal, and it photographs wonderfully in natural daylight, which makes it a fantastic choice for daytime events, garden parties, or even a vacation wardrobe staple. If you've been avoiding pink tones because you assumed they'd feel too young or too sweet, I want you to give soft coral a real chance. It's far more sophisticated than people expect, and it might just become your new favorite color to wear. Color 2. Navy Blue. If coral feels like too big a leap, navy blue is the perfect, almost foolproof alternative, and it might already be in your closet in some form. Navy works incredibly well on mature skin because it has the elegance of black without the sometimes harsh, draining effect black can have as we get older. It's deep enough to feel polished and grounded, but soft enough not to wash anyone out, regardless of skin tone or hair color. For summer, look for navy in a lightweight linen or cotton blend. A simple shirt dress or a relaxed wrap silhouette both work beautifully. Navy is also one of the easiest colors to accessorize. Gold jewelry adds warmth, silver feels crisp and modern, and a tan or white sandal keeps the whole look feeling appropriately summery rather than wintry. This is the color I recommend to anyone who says they don't know what colors work for them. Navy is close to universally flattering, and it gives you a reliable, elegant base to build any outfit around. Color 3. Emerald Green. Now we're moving into a color that genuinely surprises people with how good it looks, emerald green. This rich, jewel-toned green has a unique quality. It tends to make the eyes appear brighter and the complexion look healthier, almost regardless of your natural coloring. It's deep enough to feel sophisticated rather than costume-y, and it has just enough vibrancy to photograph beautifully without overwhelming the face. For a summer dress, look for emerald in a fluid fabric. A silk blend wrap dress or a relaxed midi with movement works particularly well. This is also a wonderful color choice for evening events, weddings, or anywhere you want to feel a little more elevated than your everyday look. Pair it with gold jewelry to enhance the warmth of the tone, and a simple nude or metallic sandal so the shoe doesn't compete with the dress. If you've never worn emerald before, this is genuinely one of the most flattering colors you can try. Don't be afraid of it. Color 4. Soft Lavender. This next color often gets overlooked, but soft lavender is one of the most gently flattering shades available for summer, especially for anyone with cooler undertones in their skin. Lavender sits in this beautiful in-between space. Not as stark as gray, not as sweet as bubblegum pink, but something quieter and more sophisticated. It has a slightly cooling effect that can soften the appearance of the skin, making it a wonderful choice for warmer months when you want something gentle rather than bold. Look for lavender in a relaxed, flowing dress silhouette. Think a simple shift dress or something with delicate ruffle detailing at the sleeve. Keep accessories soft as well. Silver or rose gold jewelry, a pale pink or nude shoe, and minimal additional color so lavender stays the star of the outfit. This is the color to reach for when you want to feel elegant and put together, but in a quiet, understated way rather than something that demands attention. Color 5. Warm Terracotta. Terracotta has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for women over 50, it might be one of the single most universally flattering colors available right now. This warm, earthy, slightly burnt orange tone works beautifully because it mimics the natural warmth of a sun-kissed complexion. Even if your skin doesn't have much color in it naturally, terracotta tricks the eye into believing it does, creating an instant, healthy-looking glow. For summer dresses, look for terracotta in a relaxed linen or cotton silhouette. A simple midi dress or a wrap style both work wonderfully. This color pairs beautifully with gold jewelry, woven accessories, and tan leather sandals, making it a perfect choice for everything from casual daytime outings to relaxed evening dinners. If you only try one new color from this entire video, I genuinely recommend starting here. Terracotta has a way of making people look rested, warm, and effortlessly put together, even on days when you feel anything but. Quick pause here because we're right in the middle of these colors, and if you're finding this video helpful, this is the perfect moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It takes 1 second and you'll get every new style video the moment it's posted. While you're at it, give this video a like. It really helps the channel reach more women who are figuring out exactly what colors and styles work best for them. And tell me in the comments, which color so far have you never tried but might consider now? I read every single comment and I genuinely love to know. Alright, let's get into the final 3 colors because I think you're going to love these. Color 6. Classic Ivory. White can sometimes feel intimidating or overly stark, but a softer, warmer ivory solves that problem beautifully while still giving you all the elegance of a classic light-colored summer dress. Ivory works particularly well after 50 because it has just enough warmth to avoid the slightly harsh, washed-out effect that bright white can sometimes create. It feels sophisticated, timeless, and effortlessly elegant, without requiring any particular skin tone to earn it. Choose ivory in a textured fabric, a subtle linen weave, or a slightly crinkled cotton. Both add visual interest without needing any additional pattern or color. Style it with gold jewelry, a woven straw bag, and tan or nude sandals for an outfit that feels like a quiet, confident summer staple. This is the color to reach for on the days you want to feel clean, polished, and elegant. The kind of dress that works just as well for a summer wedding as it does for a simple lunch with friends. Color 7. Dusty Rose. We're ending with a color that perfectly balances softness and sophistication. Dusty Rose, a muted, slightly grayed-down pink that flatters an enormous range of skin tones. Unlike brighter pinks, which can sometimes feel overly youthful or sweet, Dusty Rose carries a quiet maturity to it. It has just enough warmth to bring life to the complexion, while the muted, slightly faded quality keeps it feeling elegant rather than playful. Look for this shade in a relaxed midi or maxi silhouette, ideally in a soft, breathable fabric that moves easily in summer heat. Pair it with rose gold or gold jewelry, nude or blush-tone sandals, and minimal additional color, letting the dress itself carry the entire look. Dusty Rose is, in many ways, the perfect summary of everything we've covered today. A color that's soft without being weak and warm without being overwhelming. It's proof that the right shade doesn't need to shout to make you look beautiful. And that's all 7 colors, your complete guide to the best summer dress shades for women over 50, and exactly why each one works. Here's what I want you to take away from today's video. Choosing the right color isn't about following trends or trying to look a certain way. It's about understanding what genuinely brings life and warmth to your own complexion, and giving yourself permission to wear it confidently. Soft coral, navy, emerald, lavender, terracotta, ivory, dusty rose, these aren't rules, they're a starting point for rediscovering colors you might have overlooked. So here's your homework. Pick just one color from today's video that you've never tried before, and look for it the next time you're shopping for a summer dress. I promise, the right shade can change not just how you look, but how confident you feel the moment you put it on. If this video helped you think about color a little differently, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which color you're trying first. And if you're new here, welcome to Casual Comfort. We post new style videos every week to help you dress with more confidence, more ease, and a little more joy at any age. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, wear the color that makes you feel beautiful, and remember, confidence is always the most flattering thing you can put on.